Hello there. Last fall I picked up a Milwaukee 3017-20 leaf blower. I didn't buy it to be a leaf blower, although I will use it as a leaf blower to keep the yard clean in the summertime. I bought it primarily just to stay ahead of snowfalls here where I live. So I'm going to show a little bit of video of some movement of snow in my backyard and a little bit in my front yard. And this particular snow, it was quite light. I mean, the snow was light. It wasn't a dense, heavy feeling snow, and there was about 1.5 inches or so what you're going to see me blow around here a little bit. And I found that if the snow gets a little bit wet or too packed in, it doesn't necessarily clean it off as nicely as you, at least in my opinion, what I'm seeing in this video. But if there's any little bit of compaction at all, what I would typically do is just have a shovel moving it in front of me, and it seems that all the shovel has to do is touch the snow and it breaks it up enough where it'll just blow away super easily. So I gotta say, this may well be the most useful tool I've ever bought. I've tried it with a couple different batteries. Right now I have 2 of the 12 milliamp hour batteries, one of which is not an OEM battery, by the way. I ordered it off eBay and, off of Amazon, where I was trying to match up the number of cells in it. I think was my criteria in the end for selecting it, and it performs easily as well as the Milwaukee 12 milliamp hour battery. Now, when I'm running it the way you see right now, the trigger is full blast, and I've got the trigger locked, so I don't have to keep my finger on the trigger, but I use 2 hands just to manipulate the blower around really well. And I get about 18 minutes out of it, which is so close to finishing off any work that I want to do in the yard, but inevitably I have to maybe throw on the second battery for just 1 or 2 minutes of work. But it's just so impressive. This is what you can expect to see with about 1.5 inches of fluffy snow. I think the blower is worth a very small investment, especially since the aftermarket third-party Amazon batteries are available that perform so well. And then, of course, all work and no play makes Jack a boring boy. So it's time to take a little fun break.